Hey Make Squad, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to do a makeup tutorial today. So we're first going to start off with the face. And I'm still using the Infallible Matte Lock by L'Oreal. So we're just going to put that all over the face. I hope this video finds you guys in good spirits. Oops. Oh well. Did you tell yourself you love yourself today? Did you say your affirmations to yourself? You gotta make sure you do that. Keep your mental, physical, and spiritual self on point. You gotta hit all those points and make sure all aspects of yourself are taken care of, or at least on the journey to becoming better. Even that's part of taking care of yourself. Having a plan and goals and then working towards that to improve yourself so that you can always put your best foot forward each day. You know, live with no regrets. Because you know that you put your all into it, you were focused, you were determined, and you were successful. And if you have people in your life who aren't on board, who really aren't on your team, who say they are, but they're not really supporting you, they're not really doing anything to help you towards your goals or to improve yourself, cut them out. Okay, so I already blended in my concealer, and of course I set my face and now I'm baking. So while the face is baking, we can go ahead and go on to the eyes. I was about to put my eyeshadow on without putting on my primer. I thought I had my primer on. My eyes are watering. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Motives eyeshadow base. Instead of light ivory, I'm going to use porcelain. And porcelain is just slightly lighter than light ivory. Alright guys, so we're going to go in with the After Dark palette. And we're going to use this shade right here. And this is called Skin to Skin. Okay, and we're going to use that as our transition color. We're going to go into the same palette and we're going to use this color right here, which is called Crush on Me. And we're just going to put that right below where we applied the Skin to Skin. So we're just going to stick to this palette today instead of switching. So I'm going to go in with Arousal. I'm going to go in with Arousal right here. Did I say Arousal? Arousal. What else? All right, guys, I discovered a new favorite blending brush. This is from Morphe, and this is the E26. And I really like that dome shape. It's just like the other ones I have. Like, this isn't Morphe. Yeah, this is Morphe. But this one's like fluffier, and this one's just a little more, has a little more shape to it. It's more narrow. Both of these are great. I love this as transition. I like both these as transition brushes and then the crease brushes. And this one's really great. I think it really blends. Like, let's say you use this as transition and use this as your second color. This really blends that second color into the transition color. So I really like it. And I actually have two of them. This is the E27. So I'll put those together. I don't know what this one is. I've used it and I've rubbed off the name, so I have no idea. But I really like these three. And so, of course, this one's fluffier. So if you go like in order. So the E27 is just like the E26. It's just a little fluffier. And these are great brushes for blending and for putting in transition crease colors. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I do use mostly, I think 95% of my brushes are Morphe. I have a few that are from Sephora that I bought like 20,000 years ago. Oh, this is another one I like from Morphe. It's the I think 411 brush. This is great for really getting in there and doing detailed blending into the crease area and the outer V. So I really like all those brushes. And I'm part of that Morphe, it's Live Glam, I think that's who it is, that brush club. So that's where I get all my brushes from. You just pay $20 a month and they send you a collection of brushes each month, which is great to build your personal kit and also to build your professional kit. And that way, even if you're not a makeup artist, that way you're not always washing brushes. Because of course a lot of the brushes do the same job and look typically the same. So that way you can have variety and not have to be washing brushes all the time. Because I'm not, for my kit, I'm great. I know it needs to be sanitized. You know, I clean my brushes, alcohol, soap, the works. But for my personal self, I'm just lazy. I just don't want to clean brushes all the time. So that helps giving you variety that you don't have to clean up. Okay, so I lied. We're going to go into a different palette. We're going to go into that Afterglow palette, and we're going to use this shade right here. And okay, and we're going to spray the brush. So this is just water, and we're going to dip into that color, which is called Luster, and we're going to just pack that onto the eyelid. Just for kicks, we're also going to add that other shimmer color that was in the palette, this bottom right here, which is called Brilliant. I don't know why I turned this around and tell you all the colors when the colors are like literally on the back. Alright, so I was going to go for like a no eyeliner look. Not like for one. I was going to go for a no eyeliner look. But there's like this one part on my eye that will not grab the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put liner on today. Maybe tomorrow I can pull it off, but I don't know what's going on with this eye. But yeah, we're just going to cover it up. Okay, so I'm going to go, this eye is watering, so it probably could be why I'm having issues with some of the eyeshadow sticking to that one part of my skin. But I always have that, and I know everyone does. You have that one part of your skin that just will not take product. It's like, no, no, no. But anyway, today it just happens to be that spot. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did a lot of stuff off camera. I did my brows. I applied two eyeshadows on my lower lid. I lined my waterline, tight lined, put mascara on, so I'm back. And I put some lip balm, not lip balm, but some chapstick from Burt's Bees. And now I'm going to do my, use my favorite highlight, which is in the After Party palette, which is Hairspray. And it's the, so I tell you, it's the one in the middle. Sorry. It's this one right here, it's champagne color right here. And I'm just going to add that to the inner corners. And my eye is still acting up. Like, I don't know. It's something in the air. You know, it rained the other day, brought a cold front, so something is messing with me. And it's pretty strong because I don't really have allergy problems, so okay, for my blush, we're going to go back into the After Dark palette, and I'm going to use Slip Dress, which is right, yeah, Slip Dress, which is right here. Alright, I'm going to use my Busted Up palette right here. I'm going to use this orange shade right here for my highlight. I keep saying I'm going to fix that. Never have. Okay, and then for the lips today, I'm going to use, I've been liking this lip liner that I got from NYX. This is Jewel. It's like a mauve color. And then I'm going to, oh, I'm running out of my lip gloss. And I'm going to use my lip gloss by Motives in Toast. Oh, man. And I have used this shade as a lip, like a lippy for the day. Like I didn't put anything on top of it. I just wore it like that. It's a really pretty color. Oh, I'm running out of this too. This is my Stay Matte Fix and Go Rimmel. Now I have noticed that even though this isn't probably the best setting spray, you know, on the market, I have noticed that when I don't use it, my oil does come back quicker. So I guess it does keep it away. It doesn't keep it away for, you know, a long time, but I do my makeup up. I mean, I say about between 4 to 6 hours it keeps the oil at bay. So I guess it's doing something.
How you look so precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just baby, what's this night away with me?
Alright guys, and here's my completed look. So here's a close-up of the eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me hop off of here because as always I'm running late. Until next time, bye.
I just had to let you know you're fine. Running circles from my mind. Even when it's rainy, all you ever do is shine. You on fire.